Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your Hostinger account. And to delete a website from this list, it's simple. Just click on these three dots next to the website you want to delete and select delete. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video and select delete. Now check this box next to I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Click on delete and wait a moment. As you see, my website is being deleted. And after some seconds, your website was removed completely. And this is how to delete a website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.